Hello YouTube, this is robot trading system. This robot here was created for personal use, and now it is live trading. There is 3 buttons for this robot here: red, blue and green. Red button is for the sell profit. You can also click on that one when you see a profit, and then it will close everything automatically. And the blue button also for the profit for buy. When there is a buy day profit and you see like the profit like this, you can click on the blue button and then it will close automatically, or you leave it there and then it will close by itself. For the green button, one click you close all open position. That here it will close both sell and buy. We close all position. And the blue dot here, you can see a blue dot here. Blue dot here for buy. Is buy right here, it buy. And now this result here, it pin here. And now I start to sell right now. I start right here, see red dot here, stop red dot here. It's sell. It's sell. Now this one here at 5-minute time frame. So if you see something like this for the quick profit, you just click one click here, then it will just close. Example, right now you see profit here is 700, then you want to close that one. Example, you don't want the robot to close it because too late. You want to get a quick profit. You just click once on the blue button here, and then it will close. Look, and then it will become 0. Now look at that one, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, click. Now you click the see, wait for a minute, and then it will just become 0. And this one here. Now closing now. And this, the button, the alert button here, you're going to say, hello master, you close EURUSD all position. Here you close buy right here, successful. Okay. Successful to close. Now see, become 0 right now. See this one here? The blue button here now becomes 0. That means all positions are closed. That is why the robot displays the message through the alert button here. Hello master, you close EURUSD, all profit buy position successful. See that? Successful. Here, your order number such and such, that means it all closed. For that reason, the blue button here is now 0. That means all positions are closed. Okay. And this one here, the red button here, the number here because the open position here, open position, and not yet closed. So when it closes, it automatically closes. Or if you want, you can click on the red button and then it will close automatically. It will close everything for you. Let's say 1,000 position, you cannot close manually because too long, and especially when the market was so busy, and then the screen could be frozen and cannot get you started and stuck and broken and the crash. But with the robot, you click on the red button and it will close 1,000 positions in just a second. For that reason, I create this robot with a button to help me to put a quick close to everything. When I see profit, I close it. I don't want the robot to close because too late. Because for a certain time, this ad for a certain take profit like 25 points, and robot will kick in at 50 points, at 15 points. So it was about 5 points or 6 pips, something like that. I click the button to get a profit, a quick profit. So small profit add up because it trade many times a day, like 100 times a day, because this robot here has 30 channels. You can see here 30 channels here. TP, take profit 25, you can see here 25, take profit 25, and channel 30, VIP 3. So this robot here has a TP 35 pips, 25 pip, and channel 30. That means there are 30 channels in this robot with a different strategies for each channel. For that reason, there are many trades per day. Imagine 30 channels with different strategy, not one strategy for each channel. Strategy are different for each channel, from channel 1 to channel 30. For that reason, it trades a lot. When the condition was correct and the market was right, and then it opened automatically like that. See, red dot, it buy below here, and then the price go up here. You can see here the price go up here about 10 or 15 pips, 10 or 15 pips like that, because not closed yet. Because the certain pip is 25, and the trailing stop set to 15 points. But here about 5 pips or 10 pips win, then you can click on the blue button here and then you close it. The same on the red button here. Do the same. Okay. Now you're going to see, we'll do the trading, more trading here. This is live trading, broadcast from Long Beach, California. Now you can see here, it say, hello master, sell euro US dollars, H4 channel 11, which is right here. See that now happen here, happen right before your eye, right there. Red dot come already. See, red dot come already. When the message here display here, and then later on here you can see a red dot here, right here in front of your eye. That means open sale already. Now open sale. So you don't need to be on in front of the computer. So this is just for the demonstrate that you to the YouTube people that you want to know how the robot is doing the live trading. And then here it is. Nowadays, everybody on the Wall Street, they go with robot because human is too slow and too nervous and too fear. But robot has no fear and has no slow. Just happen like that. You notice that? Look at that one. You will observe and it will open another position. Okay. Now that you can see here, robot open it, buy right here, it buy. And now when it reaches the sell point, then the entry point start sell right here. Now it's sell. See, it's sell. Then it will start another one sell. Because this your trend. You can see the red line and the blue line here in running parallel here. Therefore the trends for the moving average. For the moving average of the market price. If it fall below or fall above, and then the condition is set inside the robot, it will determine algorithm determination, and then it will open buy, open sell accordingly, like this one here. It open here, buy right here, a blue dot here. You can see blue dot here. Open way around here, and at the 1.29, and now go to 1.304. That means 14 pip now. Now it been 14 pip. 14 pips. So the take profit is 25 pips, and the trailing stop set at 15 pips. So the trade, the trailing stop it kick in, and now it will just open another cell, the next bar. It will open another cell next bar. Okay, now let's click this one. Let's see this one. Okay, then the alert message will come up. So every 5 minutes or every 15 minutes, according to the time frame you set. For this here, I set time frame to 5 minutes here, so that you can see it how it works real time in front of your eye. So there are 30 channels with this robot, and here I set for the chart here at 4-hour time frame, 15-minute time frame, and 30-minute time frame, 1-hour time frame, and 4-hour time frames here. So set all these as that many. For that reason, that will be trading about 100 to 200 times per day with robot. So there are a lot of trading, not just one trade per day, but more than 100 trades per day. Because you use a lower time frame, it will trade every 5 minutes. It will open trade every 5 minutes. So if you set up many charts like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 charts. See, now look at this one here. Hello master, sales, add channels, switch for file. Look at this one here, right here. And you can see the bottom here. A cell channel 10, 11, 9, 6, 1, all the channel display here in this message box here. So that now look at this one is cell. Okay, now we get rid of that. Look at the red dot here. That means sell. Every time it's sell, there is a profit. There all the time, because that is a robot all about. It knows how to enter, open, buy or sell, and I get out before I go back to the market. Now it's sell. See that? Look at that red dot here in front of your eye. It's red dot right there. It's on now. It's sell. So the sell. Okay. And you can see the square wave here. The square wave is logic. It's a logic when to open, buy or sell. So according here, look at this one logic here. Look at that. Look at it very quick now. Look at it very quick here. Okay. The square wave here, it will just kick in, and then the robot will just enter, buy or sell. It's a logic operation for the robot. Logic high, the logic low here, the bottom here, high and low, square wave here, high and low, bottom and low, always high here. So I will open according to the logic here. Right now it opened so many positions already. As you can see here, red dot, dot here. See, for right here, you can see right here, there's no open right here because condition was not correct. this one not open here, this bar not open, this bar not open, but here open right here and open right here, and the next bar there will be another open position. Okay, that means every 5 minutes, because here at 5 minute time frame here, if we trade this every 5 minutes, for that reason there are 400 trade a day. 400 trade a day. Depend on the deposit. Because this one here is demo, so this just want to show to the people in the world how the robot works and how it operates in front of your eye like that, because this is this robot that I personally use for real account and make profits. So this here I just want to show you this with demo account here, how it operates, how it works, just like that. And usually you don't have a chance to see the robot work like that, because this is a top secret. A top secret with algorithms and law and the code. And for that reason, this nobody want to share with you, but I want to share with you how the robot working and that's how it operates. And later on, I will show you this how to code it. Because coding and operating with algorithms and put a lot of code. So when to open buy, when to open sell, and view the code, and then we can transfer with the time frame, the higher time frame to the smaller time frame, according to the to logics and the market condition. We set it and then we transfer automatically. So all you have to do is just set the time frame you want, which time frame you want to trade. Look again here. Hello master, hello master here. Sell channel 9, channel 10, look at it, channel 10, 11. That's how, look at this one here. Then read this one here, and then the message down here. All right here. No channel here, double channel, many channel here. V channel 8, channel 9, channel 6, channel 11, channel 10 down here. So you can see here. So each channel has a different strategies for the robot to operate, to buy or to sell. And look at the dot here, red dot here, that's sell right there. See that? When the logic here be up here, and then it go open sell. Now down here, it's not going to open it. See? And we wait, and now wait for 5 more minutes. If the condition were correct, and then it open another cell. Yeah. The square wave here is a logic operation. And now get rid of this one. Look at the square wave again. This is the square waves and the square wave here. Now you can see this one here. See, when the logic high, then open cell right there. When logic high, open cell right here. High, open cell right here. So high right here. That high. Then it low, come back. Then you can wait until another 5 more minutes. If that is not correct, and then it will not go high, and then it will not open trade. It will not open trade. And the message will just appear. The alert message will appear to the screen. After the message alert appear, then robot open it. Open the position. If you are in front of the computer and you see the alert, and then you can catch it, and then if you don't want the robot to open the position, you just click here. Click disable auto here, right here. Click like this, disable like that. That means no trade. And see when you see the message, and then you click on auto here, to disable it, and then it will not trade. Now that enable again. Okay, enable here, auto trading, enable. This one right here, disable. Now we enable auto trading. Right here, enable. So wait here after 5 more minutes, and then this will open another one. It will open another one after 5 minutes. Okay. Hello, this is a Forex trading system broadcast from Long Beach, California. And this robot here has 30 channels. Each channel has its own strategies and its own input and its own take profits. This robot was created by me for personal use with real account. But now I want to share with you to show how the robot operates and how the Wall Street people use robot to operate their account. Because if you use robot, you can set it up and then walk away. Then it will take care of the rest for you, and it will trade for you, and it will take care of the job for you. You don't have to be fear of the market. Let the robot take care of everything. Okay, now you can see here, now after it open here, the markets, it will, sometimes it will take a couple hours, and sometimes it takes the whole day to get profit. Depend on the market condition every day, because every days are different. Every day market are different every day, all the time. It's not the same all the time. Okay, now look at this one here again. Here, look at this, the message display here. Hello masters, look at the channel changing here. It open again. Hello masters, sell the euro, the US dollar channel, the channel 11, and look down here, channel 11, channel 10, channel 8, channel 6, so many here in the box here. See, right there. They sell, they have time here, they have time, they have date, and the display over here is hello master, sell the euro US dollars, and euro US dollar here, channel 11. For the time frame that's from the big time frame H4 but transfer to a lower time frame 5 minutes. Okay, see, look at this one here. Now you can see here logic high here, and logic here, that's my open sell right there. Open sell when the condition not correct. This one logic high too, but the condition was not correct and not open. Look right here, not open here, no open. No open, no open, no open, because the condition was not correct. This one here is open, look at it, logic high. When logic high here, it open. And then wait another 5 minutes. If the market is correct, and then it will open another one every 5 minutes. It will open every 5 minutes. Only if the market condition is correct. If the market condition was not correct, the bot won't open it. Ignore the logic. For that reason here, the square wave here, the square wave is for logic operation, just to enter buy or sell when the market condition was correct. Okay, let's get rid of this message box here. Click OK. and then you will see it will open another one. See, after buy from the first place here, down here, buy right here, 1, 2, 3, 4. It buy 4 times here, and then it not buy anymore here. See, because buy down here now, win down here, it win about 15 points. And 15 points already win. Now no more buy. Now start right here is sell. Right here sell right here. Now see, after it open sell right here, now see market come down a little bit, and then it will go back up. That is market all about, up and down, up and down. For that reason here, you need a robot to do the job for you. The robot, you can set it up at 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour time frame, and 8 and 4 hour time frame, or day time frame, or every 24 hours I will open it, I will trade it. Depend on the deposit you have. If you have this $100 deposit, you use time frame 4 hour time frame. You cannot use 5 minute time frame with deposit $100. That will kill your account. That is why you use a larger time frame for lower deposit, for the deposit money. If you have a lot of deposit money, then you use small time frame. Time frame 5 minutes. You can also use a time frame that's 1 minute. If you have a lot of money, because every minute it will trade. Example, now let's do this, okay? Let's switch time frame from 5 minutes to 1 minute. What happened? Okay, look at that. Here, we have 1 minute time frame. Look, it opens here. Now it open here. Open sell here. That means every minute it will open. Look at here, open again every minute. See that? And then look at the message here. See? And look at the channel switch, channel 6, channel 10, channel 11, on and on. Okay, so if you have a lot of deposit money, and then you can use time frame 1 minute time frame. See, you can see dot right here. Now let's see this one for real. That's why I want to show you this one here, how the robot works. Here, before I sold over here, okay, now down here. Okay, now let's wait a little bit more. Now you are at 1 minute time frame. Okay, even the 1 minute time frame, if the condition were right, then it will open trades. Every minute it will trades. That's a lot of trades, because every minute it open trade. Every minute. You will see red dot here, the next red dot here will see, look, after this one, you wait, this one will see this one here. Now you can see very clear, okay? Now look at that. This is a 1 minute time frame. That way you can see it clear, clear better than a 1 hour. In 1 hour you don't see any movement. It's still there. But only you see it 1 minute and 5 minute time frame. You can see it. Okay, now look at this one here. Because the condition was not right, and then it's not open here. See this one here? Open here, but not here. Not here. See that? Now you wait. And you can see here, we open the robot open here, red dot here, 1 dot here, 1 dot here, red 2 red dot right now. But this one here not open. Okay, it's not open yet because the condition was not correct. Okay. This is a robot trading system broadcast live from Long Beach, California. Broadcast to the world. I want to know how the robot works and want to see how the robot behaves in the market. This is it. I use this robot here for my personal account with live account, real account. So you can see how it works here, right? Here, you can see here. We open sell here, 2 dot here, 1, 2 here, but not here. See, not here. So that means the condition was not right. Then I will not open it. Here's the logic here, the logic here. Square wave here, the logic. Logic high, logic low, higher low. Open, buy or sell according to the logic and the market condition. Okay, right now this after it is open from here, open, you can see here, open. It open, sometimes it takes this very quick and average about a couple hour, then it will close. After it open, and then it will close a couple hour. That average is a robot. Right now you are watching robot trading system live from Long Beach, California. This is April 16, 2019. This robot here was created by myself for my personal use with real account. So I want to show you this on this demo account, just how the robot works and how it behaves in the market. And it takes automatic profit and stop loss. So you can see that how it behaves. The red dot means sell, the blue dot means buy. Okay. Okay, now we pass 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes now. We pass 4 minutes now. No open trade. See now, no open, no open buy or no open sell right now. See that? Now the price, you can see the price moving. So the red line, the blue line, and the yellow line here are the moving this price average. Moving price average that you can see here. It's now no open, it's still no open here. No open. Because the market was not right and then it's not open. When it open from here, it's open. Now let's wait and see. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes now. It's not open anymore. See? You can see here it's moving. It's moving every minute. It tick here. This robot here can also put a time on a robot to remove robot. Example like now trade 5 days a week. At the end of the 5 days, you want to remove it automatically. Then you set a time. There's a time here. Set a time here. Okay. You set a time. Example right here. Now let me show you this one here. Okay, now I bring it back down here so you can see it. So you can see, how this one look like here. Okay. Here's the robot here. Information here about me from my this buy and sell long and short. Did input? You can see input here. Channel 1 from channel 1, channel 4, channel 5, 8, channel this all the way to the channel here. Okay. So you can enter the here right here the values here. You can enter each channel. This has its own strategies. You can enter the value you want here. So you click here like this, highlight like that, and then enter the value you want. Okay. And this one here, just want to show you this. It is multi-channel. You never heard the robot like this. This is the first time you see the robot like this that has 30 channels. Usually people make only one channel, one buy and one sell, but not here. I create a multi-channel, 30 channel. That strategy, the more strategies, the better robot. The better robot can open many trades per day. For that reason here, I put channel here, channel 1 all the way to 30. So each channel here has its own strategies. And let me show you in here. Show it on here. Okay. Okay. Right here, it's time to remove your robot. Example, let's say you want to trade 5 days, you want to trade 1 or 2 days, and then you put here the time, put a time here, and then after the time expire, robot remove. Robot remove, so you don't have to do by yourself. It automatically just at one time. That's it. Let it go. If you want to change from day to day, you can change it. You can change it. Change the input here. There's input table here. You can see the input table here. The input table here. Okay. From channel 1 to channel 30. This is my name here. You can see my email right here. There's email here. The robot made in USA robot here, made in USA. So for minimum requirement for each channel here, $1,000 here. There's $1,000 per channel. You can set from 0.01 to the maximum you want. Example like that here. You can see. So all channel, look at the channel here. Channel 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way. Channel 8, look at it. Channel 8, 9, 10, 15, 13, 20, all the way to 30 channel here. Look at that here. The other channel. The channel here, each section here, group it, different channel. See? Okay, right now, I want to show you the inputs of the this robot here has many channels. So now you see that robot can have more channel for the better, for the trade. If you have one channel, that's too slow. You open one a week or one a day, that's no good. That's not what Wall Street want. The Wall Street, they want many channels, as many as possible, because they have million of dollars to spend. So you use one channel, it's no good. So you use multi-channel. The more channel, the better. You cannot just use one buy and one sell. That's not good. Not good. So you have as many sell and as many buy channel, as many sell channel. The more the better. Okay. Okay, now here robot here not trading yet. See that? Now put back to 5 minutes. Okay, let's switch back to 5 minutes. This is for Now 1 minute time frame is not trade anymore because condition not correct. Now we put back to 5 minute time frame. So it open sell, 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 sell. Okay, so even though you put at 1 minute time frame and not sell, not open sell because the condition was not correct, and then it will not open it. Okay, so now you see this one and open it. See, look at that. 30 channel, all 30 channel can scan the market at the same time. If it see a possible entry point, and then it will open it. It will open it automatically and set stop loss and take profit automatically. Okay. This is robot trading system broadcast live from Long Beach, California. So you can see how the robot behave in the real market. This is the real market, live market, even though it's demo account, but real market. I show you demo account how it works, because that way I can just click back and forth, and demonstrate to you. I cannot use real account to demonstrate for you because it costs real money. For that reason here, I use this account here to show you. So I can click anything at once to show you so how it operates, how it works, how it behaves in the market. Now you see real red dot here, real time, it turn on. It means it open buy and sell, but now it's not open anymore. It's quiet for now. Okay, I think it's too long enough already. Let's see how this go. Now it open, and then this one not open anymore. See, open this one, open right here, and open right here, not here. And you can, after you open right here, open, buy, open, sell. Then you can open sell here. You can open manually if you want to. But here I want to show you, you don't have to open manually. Just let it do the job for you. It will do everything for you. Take profit, stop loss, and open. Open, buy, open, sell, according to the algorithm inside the robot. Okay. Now put back to 1 minute here. 1 minute. 1 minute you see, hello master, your market trend direction is down. Look at that, it's down. See that? It's down. That's why sell. Display. Did not buy, but display the information, so you know that the market is down. That's why open sell. Okay. Market direction is down. Market is down right here. That's what I say. Hello, master. So market transaction is down. Okay, now look at here. That's why it's not open here. Wait, see that? It's not open anymore. Look at that. It's sell over here. It's sell over now. Now market price go down here. Up here. Look at that. Look at that. See how it go? Look at that. Now you know why. Okay, that's why not open. That is the reason. Okay. Now you see that it go. That's why not open, but it's okay. Look at that. That's why not open. It will open next time. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, now it's not open anymore. Okay. It's not open it. It's not open it. It's not yet open it. How it go? This is 1 minute time frame. That how you can see it moving. If you put at 1 hour time frame, you cannot see moving. Look at that. You not see any moving here. Okay. You not see any moving. So you use 1 minute time frame to see it. Okay. Here the robot say, "Hello, master. Your market trend direction at H4 is down." See, down. That is down here. That's why I open sell. Okay. Okay, let's look at the message here. Okay. The message here say equity here is 58 million, free margin 53 million. And let's see what Alice say. Let's here say here's open position. Look at the open position here, right here. Total here, look at here. Total position open is 300 position. Look at that here. 300, that's a lot. Yeah, 300 position. That is not one day, just a couple hours. A couple hours it open 300 position. See that? 300 position here. That one is here, 300 position. And then if you close by hand, if we not do it, when the market is busy, it will stuck, and it will crash, and the computer crash because of the market's frozen. When you try to click anything that's on the close, buy, or sell, something like that, it will stuck. It will not do the job. With the robot, you just click on the red button, or on the blue button, or on the green button. It will take care of everything for you, if you want to. Or you just leave it alone. It will take care of the rest for you. It will take care of the job for you. Don't worry about it. And it will take care of everything for you. Okay? Here is ratios here. It means leverage. Okay? For leverage, it displays the information, the equity, and total position open 300 here. Total position 300 position. They're already open. And the ratios here is 1000 to 1. That means leverage. Leverage means 1,000. Leverage 1,000. So for a robot to work well, you need a higher leverage. The higher, the better. The leverage, the higher, the better. So in this case here, 1,000 is good enough. 1,000 to 1, the ratios here. Ratio that means leverage, 1,000 to 1. Okay, it's open position right here. 300 position already open. Okay. Now we close this one. Click this one here. Want to see this one here now? This is at time frame 1 hour. You don't see it moving. Okay. Let's put back to 5-minute time frame, so you can see it. See, you can see 5-minute time frame here. Okay. So the market condition was not right, and then it will not open it. Okay, you can see here. Now it opened right here, and then the market up here is still not open it. But in a couple of hours from now, the market will fall. After it open like that, that's the indication that the market is ready to go down. A couple of hours from now. That's why it open here, and then fall. Okay, now you can see here. Now you put back to this 5-minute time frame. Okay, and we look at that. See it. So now we want to see this. It opened this another trade, just leave like that. Okay, want to see it now. It's going. And you can see here it opened buy here, buy the blue dot here. The blue dot means buy. Then the win here, win 20 pips, win 20 pips. Then after that it opens sell here, sell here. And then this one stop right there. See, no more open here. Wait. You want to see this? It should open another one over here. Okay, let's wait and see. Okay, now you see that it's still not open it. Yeah. Now the market price falling. See that after it first open here, the next time it not open it. But here if you open it manually, as you see like this, you will make money. The indication that the market is going to go down in a couple hours from now. Okay. That is the reason why open here. Open sell. There is opportunity that it will fall more. Now you can see the price here is moving. After open here, sell right here, it's not moving here, it's moving down here. Down, up again. Like that. So now moving down here. This is at time frame 5 minutes. Okay. Now let's look at the 1 minute time frame. How it look like here. Okay, now look at the displays here. Here is 1 minute time frame. Okay, look at the 1 minute time frame so you can see. Okay, here 1 minute time frame here. You can see it moving. Okay. It should open here. It should open here, but it's not. So there is a reason. Because it's here open here and 1:13:04 or 45 something. Now 1:13:08. The prior edge here not open it. So there is a reason why not open it. Okay, let's wait and see. Now the price falling. See that the price falling? After falling here, it buys, sell here, not falling. See that? So you can see the price falling here, not falling, and not selling. Now put it at 5 minute time frame so you see better. Okay. See that display here. Hello. Okay. Now go back to 5 minute time frame. You see this one here now? Go back here now. Look at that. Now go back to original price now. That 03 will open right here. You see open right here. It's just an 03 open here and open here, but go up here and not open it. Okay? That means the market condition was not right. And it waits. It waits for a certain time, for a certain period, until the market condition is correct. And then it will open again. Now you see why. At time frame 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes is the same. If the condition is correct, another will open. If the condition is not correct, even though at 1 minute it will not open. Okay, that's how it is. Now you can see here, now the price here it go down, but before here it go up, all up here. It tends 1, 3, 11, or 10, but now it down to now come back down about 6 pip already. Down 6 pip already. This is at 5 minute time frame. See how it works. We still not open it. Okay, we want to see it again. Number put back to 1 minute. Okay, so the display is here. It's still 300 position. Okay, 300 position. Position is still not open yet. Okay, let's check the program here. Let's see the program here. Okay, I want to put the program in here. I want to show you. Let's check the program here. Okay. Oh, because here only 300, they open 300 right here. Now we want to open more. Okay, so open more. Let's put more as much as we want, right? Put it 5,000 right here. 5,000. Put 5,000 here. Okay. So 5,000 here, and here put 3,000 here, so that it will open. So now we compile that one. Okay. So the program here, this is the algorithm logic here for the robot. Okay, now you can see it's open position now, because we limit the 300 position, but now we add to 5,000 position. Here we add a 3,000 and 5,000 position here, so it will do the trading. Okay, now it opens. Now look at that, it open now. Go back. It open now. Okay, now you see here, open here. Before you see here only 300 position, when I open more now. See the open here now, open more. Because we change the limit that the robot can open. But now we put it to 5,000 position. That allows robot to open more position. Okay. If you put 1, it will open just 1. If you put 300, when it reaches 300 position, it will not open more. It stops. For this reason here, we put more. Okay. Now, we see here wise. Okay. Now we increase. We increase the position that allow the robot to open it 5,000 position. After it reaches 5,000 position, and then it will stop. Not do any trade here. Like this one here, you can see here. It's not trade. She start to trade right now, because we allow it 5,000 position. When it reaches 5,000 position, it will not open anymore. Now you can see here, open position, total position open here is 325. See that? 325 before 300. And here is not open right here, not open it, because the limit is 300. But now we put it to 5,000, so let it open here. That's why it open down here, it open more, because the condition was correct. And then it will not open it, because you limit the robot to open only 300 position maximum. When it reach 300 position maximum, it stop opening more position. But now we change that, so we open it more. Okay. Okay, now see that not open. Now start to open it now. Look at that, not 27 now. See, look at this one here, 3% here, 327 position now. Before only 300 position, and then stop, and now open more. Okay. Okay, get rid of this one, and then you will see it. This is at 1 minute time frame. 1 minute time frame, you see that? Now it open every 1 minute right now. If the condition was correct, it will open it. Every minute it will open it. It should open up here, right here. Here, it should open up here, okay? Then the speakers will put a limit to the robot, so it not open right here. But now we put more. We put 5,000 position that robot can open it. So now open here. Okay, now it's trading every 1 minute trading now. Hello, master. Sell right here. Sell right there. Okay. And this another read the total position here 330 and 29.